Hello, it's John here from Wessex Insurance, and I'm here with my very good friend Stuart Mackay, who's responsible for 3 sheds in the Cheltenham and Gloucester area. Stuart, do you want to tell us a little bit about your sheds, how they work and the importance of them to the communities that they operate in?
Yes, as you say, we have 3 sheds. We started 11 years ago in a small shed that we share with a charity called the Butterfly Garden, and then in 2018 we managed to secure an area at the Gordon League Rugby Club in Hempstead, where we established our own shed. And then a year ago we managed to negotiate the lease on the unit behind me, and we've now been operating here for a year. When we started in this shed we had 29 members, and now we have 61 members. It satisfies a growing need, and we feel that members benefit by improving their own health and well-being, and coming together for common purpose gives them a reason to get up in the morning.
And are you doing projects in the community? Are you doing work for other people? How does the activity of the shed work within the community?
Yes, we do projects on our own behalf, but the majority of our projects are actually undertaken on behalf of other charities and community groups.
Tell us a little bit more about how the funding for the shed works.
Sheds in the UK are self-funding, so sheds are responsible for their own funding. We have a monthly subscription for members, and then for significant investments in machines, tools, premises, we need to apply for grant funding, and we have 7 funders at present who have contributed to us being able to establish this shed here.
So it's very important to make sure that money spent on insurance is spent on the right cover, covering the right risks. So from your point of view, where do you see the risks from shedding?
At the shed we have 2 primary insurances. First is employer's liability. It insures our members against personal injury and accident. And then we have public liability insurance, which ensures that we are insured against any claims made in the public domain when we're undertaking projects on behalf of the community.
So those are, as you say, those are your main risks. We at Wessex obviously provide shed insurance to your shed and to many other sheds. How have you found your experience of dealing with us?
When I first joined the shed, we were insured by a major national insurance company directly. Unfortunately, they didn't have much empathy with the specific risks associated with running a shed. We made inquiries through Wessex Insurance brokers to find more appropriate cover, and in discussions with Wessex, they were able to offer us insurance for each one of our sheds, which is focused on the specific risks for shedders and shedding. And they have provided us with excellent service and advice at a much more competitive rate than the national insurers were able to offer.
That's brilliant. Thank you, Stuart. And that is absolutely what our aim is with our sheds and our shedders.